Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Basis Online Education. I'm English Sir, your maths teacher. Today I'm going to teach exercise 11.5 from level of maths. Let's enter the exercise word. Question number 1, if we follow that, they're talking about the line graph. So three basic things. If we discuss about this line graph, that will be more helpful for you. What is line graph? A line graph shows the information that is connected in some way, such as in a change over it. As simple as a line. With the help of the line, when it shows the information, it's called the bar chart. As I can show that a table and an up they are given, that's means this is the questions, right? So with these questions, based on these questions, we're gonna work out a little bit over here on this bar charts. So as you can see that these bar charts, day 1 is given 3, then day 2 4, and then 12, then 15. So according to these works, they worked over here and the down. In the first, you can see day 1. They have written day 1, and then they have to given it's 3, then 4, like this. Let's enter our exercise work. If we follow the exercise work, we can see first they say the line graph shows annual average monthly temperature in Edinburgh and Sydney, two countries, two cities that's talking, Sydney and Edinburgh. Edinburgh is blue color. Remember the color, that would be very helpful for you, because that could be confusions for you. Red color is Sydney. Sydney, if you follow, it's quite hottest, but Edinburgh is the coldest. The first basic idea. First, you're gonna remember that. A number. When was the warmest month in Sydney? Warmest, the hottest. If we follow the picture, you can see that the highest, it's more than 25 little bit. First 2 months, and December it was 25. So we can say these two, Jan and February, it's our highest on Sydney. So our A answer, we can tell warmest month was January and February. When was the warmest month in Edinburgh? Well, it means Edinburgh, according to Edinburgh picture, the highest one. If you see that the July was the highest over here. So July is answer B. C number. What is the average temperature in 8 cities in March? Remember that average, they're not telling average, you have to work out the average, adding and divided by the number of times or whatever. No, the title is average, so don't confuse this one, just simple. In March, go to the March and check their temperature. What's the temperature? So if you see the Sydney, we can find out that Sydney is exactly 25, and if we see the Edinburgh is the third one, you can see 5 degrees Celsius. This is 25, this is 5. D number. When was the average Edinburgh was higher than the Sydney? As you can see that July month, Edinburgh is a little high. It's very hot in July. Sentence. Write a sentence, describe the information in the graph. Information, the descriptions, you can write your own sentence. Simple as that. Based on these graphs, we have to tell the informative some information. If we give them, that will be very good. I have written here, over the year the temperature of Sydney is higher than the temperature of Edinburgh. You can write in January it was the highest temperature in Sydney, whereas it was the lowest temperature in Edinburgh. You can see the in July both cities temperature was quite near. Different comments you can give, it does not matter. Important is that you just describe this graph, that's it, in a one sentence. Right, let's enter the question number 2. The line graph shows the vote cast, the Red Party, and the last 6 elections. As you can see, the Red Party 1988, 92, 96, 2000, 2004, 2008 numbers is steadily going up. Popularity is going up. A number. The plot these results, the blue part in the same vertex. It's mean another line you have to draw, that 88, 92, and they say this is blue color. So I have drawn a new way. Before drawing this, you can follow the air one. Years on a down and the numbers on a left. So same thing I have done it here. So 1988, it's 300. I have taken 300 box and I just mark it here, 300. And these bar chart little bit it my picture is not showing clearly, but you can see in your copy 300 exactly over here I've given. Then 200, you can see the 200. and then 500, it's 596, and then 350, 300 to 400 middle, then 350 again, and the last one it was an 150, 100, 200, the middle one is 150. Okay, comes to the work over here. Circle the point at the graph where the blue party got the lowest one. That's when in your graph you have a circle, it's 150 was the lowest. I just circle it. B number, how many votes in total did the red party get 2002 2004? It's been 2000 to 2004. Red party, they said this is blue, so red, go to the red. 2000, it's if you see for 2000 it's 500, as you can see that this is 500, and 4 it's 550, the middle one is only middle, so 550, 550, so it's 1050 vote cast. In which year did the blue party do better than the red party? If we compare 1998, you can see that their number, that could be very easy for you if you follow the information from these. You can see that over here, red party, it was approximately 150 1988, but blue party it was 396. If you follow that, their number was like 400, but their number was 500. Just compare them and you can find out 1988 and 96 which party has grown steadily in popularity, like continuously they are going up. If we follow, it was up and down, but the red party steadily is going up. It's mean we can tell exactly the red party is the answer here. It was going popular year by year. Thanks for today. Allah Hafiz.